YouTube. Today is CV Dad takeover of the Khaled&Hamden show because tomorrow is Father's Day and they got me something early. What's up, Hamden? What you watching? Writing, father and son. But yeah, so today's video is an unboxing on my first Father's Day gift. Not my first one ever, but my first one this weekend. Hopefully it's not anymore because this is all I need. Besides that fried lobster and fried fish, I'm good. Let's go check on Khaled. What you doing? He got the muscles out. Look, show the guns. Oh, what's that? The baby drip?
Nope. I'm about to change it right now.
You ready for this unboxing video?
Yes. Yes.
All right. You ready to start the video? They all excited, YouTube. So let me go get what we gonna be unboxing today. We'll be right back. Oh yeah, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there in the world. YouTube, we back. We back. You see the box right there. You see it. And you progressing in the YouTube world and you want to start doing different things, you have to invest in yourself. So they invested in me. Can you see? Can you see? Costco bundle, let me tell you. So we got 3 things in this kit. We got the camera, Canon M50, a sling backpack, and then a 32 gig memory card. So let's crack it open and see. Touch yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little backpack.
So we can
carry the camera. Is it for me or you?
Everyone.
Let's check it out. We gotta let them know. No wrestling right now. We gotta hurry up and get this open deal. What else is in this box? Y'all favorite?
Yeah, pop it.
You wanna pop it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Pop it.
Right here.
One for Hammy. Okay, one for Khaled. Good job, fellas.
Perfect, John.
All right, let's get back into it. All right, you two. This is it. This is it.
This is it.
Oh no! Wait.
Yes, it's for me.
You hold that. Read that. If we spill some coffee or something, we can get another one. Okay? But we hope we don't spill anything. Hold on. What's this? That SanDisk. 32-inch.
Sand.
I said 32-inch, 32 gig memory card.
Yes.
Okay, and here's the camera. Let's see.
Everyone.
Let's see.
That actually looks like a little PS4 controller.
Let's take a picture. Let's let them see the box. Oh, Hammy is so excited. Calm down.
And that will probably go straight in.
We gotta read the instructions here.
Okay.
I opened it. You just had to pull it out. You just pull it out. Okay, so what's this, Hammy?
The strapper.
That's a strap to put it around your neck for the camera. Hold on, let's put it together.
Like on Sky and Fortnite, but season 2 is here.
Yeah. Daddy don't know how to do this. I'm not a cameraman, but we gonna just put
Here's the camera.
We gonna. Show off the battery pack. Okay, hold on. What? You missing a good part. Here go the plug right here. Boom.
So you can plug it in.
That's how you plug it in. All right. Let's go. Let's get the camera out. Let's show them what we're working with. Oh, show it off. Put it in the camera. Yeah, there we go. Slow down. There you go.
See yourself.
Got the screen.
That's really fresh.
Let me show them. Yeah, look.
And you guys can probably see your guys' self.
Let's put it in the camera.
Beep, 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 beep.
iPhone autofocus ain't too bad. Let's see. Yeah, look at the little hand grips here. It's a nice hand grip. Look. So now I can. Nice and
It's
easy.
kind of like a video game PS4.
Hold it. Let's see. Hold it.
It's kind of like
Is it comfy?
PS4 controller right here. Like that. Oh, I got him.
All right, let's get the lens out.
Take it out.
That's it, YouTube. Lens is the last thing to come on out. All right, lenses are important.
Here, guys, have a lens right there.
Yes, we do. We do have a lens. We do have a lens on our iPhone. It's a wide-angle lens.
That's why you guys can see really good.
He's right. It's an ANGFLY lens. I got it off Amazon. I'll put that link in the description too. And we're using a Boya microphone. So
That's
we
right.
got a full iPhone setup. And now we're finally getting to the next level. All right, you ready, man? Mm-hmm. Let's strap this on to the camera.
And then I'll do that if it's recording. Camera angle.
All right. Lens on. Let's take it off. Turn it back on. Let's see.
Thanks for watching Khaled&Hamden. Smash that subscribe button or your parents can do it for you. Thanks. Bye.